Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform Online Training. Overview of Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform. Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform (DXP) is a cloud-native, headless digital experience solution designed to help organizations create, manage, and optimize their digital content and customer experiences across channels. Known for its flexibility and speed, Crownpeak DXP is particularly suited for companies needing rapid deployment, scalability, and compliance without the need for complex infrastructure. Here are some key aspects and features of Crownpeak DXP. 1. Content Management System (CMS). Headless Architecture. Crownpeak's headless CMS allows content to be managed centrally and delivered to any digital touchpoint, web, mobile, IoT, etc., via APIs, providing flexibility in how and where content is displayed. Ease of use. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that empowers non-technical users to create, manage, and publish content quickly without relying on IT teams. Multi-site management enables centralized control over multiple websites or experiences across different brands, regions, or languages, making it easy to maintain brand consistency and manage global content variations. 2. Personalization and targeting. Dynamic personalization. Crownpeak DXP provides tools to deliver personalized content to users based on behavioral, demographic, or contextual data, enhancing user engagement and relevance. Customer segmentation. Marketers can define audience segments and deliver tailored experiences, improving conversion rates and user satisfaction. 3. Digital Quality Management (DQM). SEO and accessibility checks. Crownpeak's DQM tool helps ensure that all published content meets best practices for SEO and web accessibility, such as ADA and WCAG compliance, minimizing risks and maximizing content reach. Brand consistency. This tool also supports brand consistency by automatically scanning sites for brand guidelines, spelling, grammar, and accessibility issues. 4. Security and compliance. Privacy compliance. Crownpeak DXP includes tools for managing compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. This feature is valuable for global companies handling sensitive user data. Secure cloud infrastructure. Built on a secure, cloud-native architecture, Crownpeak provides high availability, automatic updates, and reduced security risks associated with traditional on-premise systems. 5. Experience optimization and testing. A/B testing and optimization. Crownpeak enables A/B and multivariate testing, allowing businesses to continuously optimize digital experiences based on data-driven insights. Analytics integration. The platform integrates with various analytics tools to provide insights into user behavior, allowing for ongoing improvement in content strategies and user engagement. 6. Headless commerce and integration capabilities. API-first approach. Crownpeak's headless DXP enables seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other business systems, supporting a unified digital experience and streamlined operations. Third-party integrations. Crownpeak offers built-in support and integrations for popular marketing, sales, and service platforms, allowing for a more cohesive and connected digital ecosystem. Content management in Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform. Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform (DXP) offers a suite of tools focused on managing, optimizing, and delivering digital content across multiple channels. Designed for organizations seeking flexibility and agility, Crownpeak DXP emphasizes ease of use, scalability, and compliance to deliver a superior user experience. Here's an overview of key content management features in Crownpeak DXP. 1. Content creation and authoring. Intuitive authoring interface. Crownpeak's content management system, CMS, offers a user-friendly WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, editor, enabling non-technical users to create, edit, and publish content easily. Component-based content creation. Content is broken down into reusable components, which makes it easy to create consistent, modular designs that can be adapted for multiple channels. Multilingual and multi-site support. The platform supports multilingual and regional sites, allowing content creators to manage translations and variations for different markets. 2. Content workflow and collaboration. Approval workflows. Crownpeak DXP includes customizable workflows, allowing organizations to define steps for content review and approval. Version control and history. Editors can track and revert to previous versions of content, ensuring that accidental changes or errors can be quickly undone. Real-time collaboration. The platform enables multiple users to work on content in real time, fostering a collaborative environment across teams. 3. Personalization and targeting. Audience segmentation. Crownpeak offers tools to define audience segments based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences, enabling targeted content delivery. Personalization rules engine. Marketers can create rules to deliver personalized content, optimizing engagement for different visitor segments. Integration with analytics. By integrating with analytics tools, Crownpeak provides insights into user behavior and engagement, allowing content strategies to be continuously refined. 4. Omnichannel delivery. Headless CMS capabilities. Crownpeak's headless CMS architecture allows content to be delivered across various digital channels, web, mobile, IoT, etc., while keeping design and development independent. API-first approach. Its API-based model enables developers to manage and deliver content seamlessly across digital touchpoints, making Crownpeak a good choice for organizations with complex, multi-channel requirements. Responsive and adaptive design. Content can be easily adapted for different devices, ensuring a consistent user experience across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. 5. Content optimization and SEO. SEO management tools. Crownpeak includes built-in SEO tools that allow content creators to optimize pages for search engines by adjusting metadata, titles, and descriptions. A/B testing and analytics. Marketers can run A/B tests to see which content performs best, using insights to enhance content effectiveness. Compliance monitoring. Crownpeak offers compliance tools for accessibility and data privacy, such as ADA and GDPR, ensuring that content adheres to regulatory standards. Personalization features of Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform. Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform, DXP, offers several powerful personalization features designed to enhance user engagement, optimize content delivery, and improve the overall customer experience. Here's an expanded look at the key personalization capabilities within Crownpeak DXP. 1. Audience segmentation. Dynamic segmentation. Crownpeak enables real-time audience segmentation based on user behavior, demographics, and preferences. This allows businesses to target specific segments with tailored content, ensuring relevance and higher engagement. Flexible criteria. Segmentation criteria can include geolocation, device type, previous interactions, time spent on site, and referral sources, allowing for finely tuned audience targeting. 2. Behavioral targeting. Contextual personalization. Using data from current session behaviors, Crownpeak can dynamically adjust content based on actions taken by users during their visit, such as pages viewed or products explored. In session personalization, the platform can alter content, calls to action, CTAs, and recommendations within the same session, catering to user needs instantly. 3. Content recommendations. AI-driven recommendations. Crownpeak's AI engine analyzes user interactions to provide personalized content suggestions. This feature increases content discoverability and helps guide users through a personalized journey. Product recommendations. For e-commerce use cases, Crownpeak can recommend products based on past purchases, similar interests, or trends within a segment. 4. Geolocation-based personalization. Localized content delivery. The platform allows for geotargeting to serve content based on the user's location, such as country, state, or city. This is particularly beneficial for regional promotions, news, or event-based updates. Language and currency adjustments. Based on geolocation, Crownpeak can dynamically adjust language settings and currency, creating a localized and cohesive experience. 5. Behavioral analytics and insights. Real-time analytics. Crownpeak provides real-time insights into how users interact with personalized content, allowing businesses to assess the effectiveness of their personalization strategies. A/B testing and experimentation. Crownpeak supports A/B testing of personalized elements, enabling teams to compare variations and determine the most effective content for each audience segment. 6. Adaptive content rules. Custom rules and triggers. Marketers can create specific rules and triggers to display different content based on user attributes or actions. For instance, new visitors might see introductory content, while returning users get recommendations based on their previous browsing history. Automated workflows. Crownpeak's workflow automation ensures that personalized content is delivered at the right time and through the appropriate channels, aligning with each user's journey. 7. User profile enrichment. Progressive profiling. Over time, Crownpeak builds richer user profiles by capturing additional data points with each interaction. This allows for deeper personalization with minimal friction for the user. CRM and data integration. Integration with CRM, customer data platforms, CDPs, and other data sources enables Crownpeak to enhance profiles with third-party data, allowing for a more comprehensive personalization strategy. SEO and analytics in Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform. Crownpeak's Digital Experience Platform, DXP, offers robust tools for SEO and analytics that help optimize content for search engines, measure digital performance, and enhance user engagement. Here's a deeper look into these features. 1. SEO optimization. Automated SEO audits. CrownPeak's platform provides automated SEO audits to evaluate content and identify improvements for higher search rankings. These audits can analyze metadata, keywords, page load speeds, and mobile optimization to ensure content meets SEO best practices. On-page SEO suggestions. The DXP offers actionable insights for on-page SEO, suggesting keywords, meta descriptions, alt texts, and other optimizations to improve content relevance and visibility on search engines. Structured data and schema markup. CrownPeak supports schema markup and structured data, enabling rich snippets in search results, which can enhance click-through rates, CTR, by providing more contextual information to search engines. Multilingual SEO. For global brands, CrownPeak provides tools to optimize multilingual content, ensuring it ranks well across various languages and regions. This includes hreflang tag management and geo-targeted SEO strategies. 2. Analytics and performance tracking. Integrated Analytics Dashboard. CrownPeak DXP includes a unified analytics dashboard that integrates with popular tools like Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and custom tracking. This dashboard provides real-time insights into visitor behavior, conversion rates, and user journeys. User behavior analysis. The platform offers tools for tracking user actions like clicks, scroll depth, and time on page to better understand engagement. By analyzing these metrics, brands can identify areas for content improvement and tailor experiences to user preferences. Goal and conversion tracking. CrownPeak's DXP enables tracking of specific goals and conversion points, such as form submissions, purchases, and downloads. This feature is essential for evaluating campaign effectiveness and identifying high-performing content. A/B testing and personalization insights. With CrownPeak's A/B testing tools, brands can experiment with different content variations to discover which resonates best with their audience. The platform provides analytics on user preferences, allowing for more refined personalization and content targeting. 3. Content and SEO governance. Compliance-driven SEO. CrownPeak is known for its emphasis on digital governance, including SEO compliance. This ensures that all content adheres not only to SEO standards but also to accessibility and data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Content scoring and recommendations. CrownPeak offers content scoring features that assess readability, keyword density, and SEO alignment. The platform suggests adjustments to improve content quality and search engine ranking potential. Accessibility and mobile optimization. SEO performance is enhanced by CrownPeak's accessibility tools, which ensure compliance with WCAG standards. Additionally, mobile optimization capabilities improve user experience and SEO rankings on mobile devices, which are prioritized by search engines. 4. Integration with other SEO and analytics tools. CrownPeak DXP integrates with third-party SEO tools such as SEMrush, Moz, and Screaming Frog to offer advanced keyword tracking, backlink analysis, and competition research. This integration allows users to manage SEO initiatives within a single interface while leveraging external insights. CrownPeak's analytics integrations also support tools like Google Tag Manager for efficient tracking tag management across various campaigns, simplifying the process of setting up tracking parameters and testing their effectiveness. Integrations and extensibility in CrownPeak Digital Experience Platform. CrownPeak's Digital Experience Platform, DXP, offers a robust set of tools for integrations and extensibility, enabling seamless connectivity with third-party applications and custom features to support varied digital experience needs. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. 1. API-first approach. CrownPeak DXP is designed with an API-first philosophy, offering RESTful APIs that allow developers to integrate CrownPeak functionalities with other platforms easily. APIs cover content management, delivery, personalization, analytics, and more, giving full programmatic access to the DXP's capabilities. The platform also includes content APIs for delivering headless or decoupled content to various endpoints, making it a great fit for multi-channel and omni-channel strategies. 2. Integration with MarTech and analytics tools. CrownPeak integrates natively with a variety of popular marketing technology, MarTech, and analytics platforms, including Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and various CRM solutions like Salesforce. These integrations facilitate unified data analysis and streamline workflows between content and customer engagement tools. Additionally, CrownPeak has connectors for SEO and compliance tools to help ensure that content meets accessibility and regulatory standards, directly enhancing user experience and regulatory compliance. 3. Extensibility through custom code and widgets. For custom functionalities, CrownPeak allows developers to create and integrate custom code widgets and modules. This allows teams to add unique features, such as tailored content templates, interactive elements, or automated workflows directly into the DXP. The platform also supports custom integrations through JavaScript and API calls, enabling personalization and interaction with external data sources or applications. 4. Headless and decoupled CMS capabilities. CrownPeak's headless CMS capabilities allow organizations to use the DXP as a content repository that delivers structured content to various front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue via APIs. This flexibility is essential for brands seeking to provide consistent experiences across websites, mobile apps, kiosks, and other digital touchpoints. This architecture supports agile development, allowing front-end teams to work independently while content creators continue to manage and publish content. 5. Integration with DAM, Digital Asset Management Systems. CrownPeak has built-in integrations with DAM solutions for centralizing and managing digital assets efficiently, ensuring that images, videos, and other multimedia content are accessible across various projects. Integration with DAM systems, such as Adobe Experience Manager or Binder, helps teams streamline asset workflows and maintain brand consistency across channels. Security and compliance in CrownPeak Digital Experience Platform. CrownPeak Digital Experience Platform, DXP, offers a range of security and compliance features aimed at protecting user data, ensuring regulatory adherence, and providing robust governance tools. Here's an overview of the key areas where Crownpeak excels in security and compliance. 1. Data security and privacy controls. Data encryption. Crownpeak ensures data security with encryption both in transit and at rest, following industry standards to prevent unauthorized access. Access controls. Role-based access control (RBAC) allows administrators to define access levels for different user roles, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive data. Single sign-on (SSO) and multi-factor authentication (MFA). These features enhance access security by integrating with enterprise identity providers, ensuring that only verified users can access the platform. 2. Compliance with privacy regulations. GDPR, CCPA, and other regulatory support. Crownpeak DXP includes tools to help organizations meet compliance requirements for global privacy laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. The platform assists with data subject access requests, DASR, and provides mechanisms for capturing and managing consent. Cookie compliance. Crownpeak offers cookie consent solutions that enable websites to be compliant with regulations related to tracking technologies, allowing users to opt in or out of cookie usage in line with regional privacy laws. 3. Content governance and auditing. Audit trails. The platform includes comprehensive logging and auditing features, enabling organizations to track changes, content updates, and access activities. This level of transparency supports both compliance audits and internal governance. Content approval workflows. Crownpeak DXP allows for customizable workflows that ensure content goes through defined approval steps, helping organizations control published information and maintain brand consistency. 4. Application security. Vulnerability scanning and patch management. Regular vulnerability scans are conducted on the platform to identify and remediate security gaps. The platform is frequently updated to apply security patches, ensuring that users are protected from newly discovered vulnerabilities. DDoS protection. Crownpeak DXP includes distributed denial of service (DDoS) protection to mitigate the risk of service disruptions caused by malicious traffic spikes. 5. Certifications and third-party assessments. ISO 27001 and SOC 2 compliance. Crownpeak's infrastructure is compliant with ISO 27001 and SOC 2 standards, which are widely recognized for information security management and controls. Third-party audits. Independent audits are conducted regularly to validate the security and compliance measures of the platform. These assessments ensure that Crownpeak meets rigorous standards for data protection and operational security. 6. Automated compliance monitoring. Crownpeak's Digital Quality Management (DQM) tool includes accessibility and compliance monitoring features that allow organizations to continuously scan their websites for compliance with accessibility standards like WCAG and regulatory guidelines. Automated compliance reporting. These monitoring tools provide detailed reports and notifications that help organizations quickly identify and address compliance issues, reducing the risk of regulatory fines and legal liabilities. Customer journey mapping with Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform. Customer journey mapping within the Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform, DXP, focuses on visualizing and optimizing each interaction that a customer has with a brand across different digital touchpoints. Here's a deeper look at how customer journey mapping is implemented in Crownpeak DXP, along with its benefits and key capabilities. Key capabilities and features. Personalization. Crownpeak DXP enables dynamic, personalized content delivery based on user behavior, preferences, and past interactions. By analyzing user data, the platform can present customized experiences, which helps in shaping a journey that resonates with individual customer needs and preferences. Unified data and analytics. Crownpeak integrates with various data sources and uses robust analytics tools to capture and analyze user behavior across channels. This data informs the customer journey map, helping businesses understand where customers are dropping off, the channels they prefer, and how they engage with content. Content management and optimization. With Crownpeak's CMS capabilities, businesses can manage, test, and optimize content on different channels, which is crucial for building a cohesive journey. It allows marketers to test which content performs best at different journey stages and make adjustments in real time. Omnichannel delivery. Crownpeak DXP supports delivery across web, mobile, social media, and other digital platforms, ensuring consistency in brand messaging. This omni-channel approach allows for a smooth transition as customers move between touchpoints, reinforcing engagement and reducing friction in the journey. AI-driven insights. Crownpeak leverages AI and machine learning to predict customer behavior and offer recommendations on improving the journey. This feature aids marketers in identifying the next best action and proactively meeting customer needs at each step. Customer segmentation and targeting. The platform supports segmentation based on demographics, behavior, and preferences, which is instrumental for targeted campaigns and journey mapping. This allows for differentiated experiences based on customer personas and specific customer journey phases. Benefits of customer journey mapping with Crownpeak DXP. Enhanced customer understanding. By mapping out the journey, businesses gain a holistic view of customer preferences, pain points, and motivations. Increased engagement and conversion rates. Journey mapping helps identify and resolve journey gaps, enhancing engagement and improving conversion rates by delivering the right content at the right time. Improved retention and loyalty. A tailored, seamless journey keeps customers engaged and satisfied, encouraging long-term loyalty. Cross-departmental alignment. Journey mapping aligns marketing, sales, customer support, and product teams, ensuring everyone has a unified view of the customer experience. Practical applications in customer journey mapping. Journey mapping for new versus returning customers. Crownpeak's analytics can help distinguish between new and returning customers, allowing companies to create separate journeys and tailor experiences based on where they are in their life cycle. Optimization for specific customer segments. By utilizing Crownpeak's segmentation tools, organizations can design and map journeys that cater to high-value customer segments, ensuring that these customers receive a focused and engaging experience. Why choose ProExcellency for Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Crownpeak Digital Experience Platform, DXP, online training can be beneficial due to several key factors that cater to both beginners and professionals looking to gain expertise in Crown Peak's features. Here's why Pro Excellency might be a good fit. Experienced instructors. Pro Excellency typically employs industry professionals with real-world experience in Crown Peak DXP. This can ensure that training is both practical and up-to-date with industry standards. Comprehensive curriculum. The course likely covers all essential aspects of Crown Peak, including content management, digital personalization, SEO, analytics, and governance, allowing participants to gain in-depth knowledge of the platform. Hands-on learning. Pro Excellency often includes practical exercises, labs, and real-life scenarios to provide hands-on experience. This approach enables students to understand the platform's functionality better and gain confidence in using it. Flexible learning options. The training is online, which allows flexibility for participants to attend from anywhere. Sessions may also be recorded, enabling trainees to revisit topics as needed. Post-training support. Pro Excellency may offer post-training support, helping participants clarify doubts and apply their learning to real projects. This ongoing support can be invaluable for retention and application of knowledge. Certification assistance. For professionals looking to get certified, Pro Excellency might provide guidance on certification exams, ensuring participants are well prepared to achieve formal recognition of their skills. Customized training solutions. If you are part of an organization, Pro Excellency may offer tailored training to meet specific business needs, covering particular modules relevant to your work environment. Thank you.